Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to write Google Ads headlines that clicks. Now the first thing you need to know is that you need to focus on benefits and value when you're writing your headlines. So highlight key benefits. It's not just listing the features, emphasize what the customer stands to gain. For example, saves time, increases sales and reduces stress. Example, instead of writing project management software, use manage projects effortlessly. That's where you are highlighting the key benefits. Next, you need to address your pain points. You see, target your audience problem and how your product or service solves them. Example, write tired of losing leads? Capture them now. Next, you need to include keywords. You see, after focusing on benefits and value, next you need to include the keywords. You see, relevant keywords have the ability to bring in more potential customers because they are likely to be searching for it. So always use keywords that you're likely to search for. Next, match your search intent. What do I mean by this? You need to align the keyword with the user's search intent. For example, best coffee maker versus buy coffee maker. You see? Next, long tail keywords. Consider using longer, more specific keywords for better targeting. The next step you're going to take after including keywords is to create urgency and scarcity. You don't have to do this all the time, just occasionally. For example, limited time offers. You can say sale and soon. Limited quantities available. This will help create urgency and scarcity. Next, you can have exclusive deals. Apart from limited time offers, have exclusive deals like get early access, special offer for new users. Then don't forget to use a sense of urgency by saying don't miss out or act now. After creating urgency and scarcity, the next thing to do is keep it concise and compelling because brevity is key. Google Ads headlines have character limits to make it as brief but packed as possible. What do I mean? Even though it's supposed to be brief, doesn't mean it should not contain exactly what you want the users to know. Next, we have strong verbs. So use action verbs to grab action. For example, attention. For example, discover, experience, unlock. Then you can use numbers to quantify benefits. For example, get 20% off, free trial for 30 days. Now the fifth step you can take is the A/B test headline, which means experiment with different headlines. Create multiple versions of your ad and test their performance. Then analyze the results. Track click-through rates, CTR, to see which headlines perform best. Now here are some examples of strong Google Ads headlines. Boost your sales with our AI-powered marketing tool. Learn a new language in 30 days, guaranteed. Free shipping on all orders this weekend only. Each of these are great examples of strong Google Ads headlines. So by following these tips I've given you and continuously refining your headlines, you can improve your click-through rates and achieve better results with your Google Ads campaign. That's it for today. See you in the next video.